Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the AirPods Pro and a Laut Capsule IMPKT case for the AirPods Pro. Let's get into it. So I know what you guys are probably thinking, I'm a little late to the game getting AirPods Pro, but I decided to go ahead and get these. Now, the ones I'm currently using, I'm actually not mad about. I actually really like them. I'm using these Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro, and I like these a lot. But the problem is they don't have a seamless transition between the iPhone and the MacBook, so I kind of wanted to have something that would do that, so I'm hoping that the AirPods Pro do that. Now, I got the AirPods Pro for $189.99, and they're on sale at Amazon, Best Buy, so you can find them pretty much anywhere for that price. They're still that price right now. Now, I don't know if they're gonna be updated. They might be updated this month. I'm not really sure, so I could have screwed myself by getting the old pair, but hopefully they're good because they still have really good reviews. This also right here is a case because I don't trust myself with something with white shiny plastic. And the Capsule IMPKT case, this is about $25. You can find this on Amazon for maybe $25 or a little bit less. It just depends on the color. Taking a look at the AirPods Pro box, you can see we have a picture of the AirPods on the front, and these are a little bit different than the traditional AirPods, so those are a little bit cheaper, but they don't have noise cancellation, and they don't have the, they have a longer stem than this, so, but they have an iconic look just like these do. Now you can see we have Apple logo on the sides, we have AirPods Pro, and with wireless charging case on the top, and then we have some more information about compatibility, barcodes, all that good stuff, and our model numbers. On the back, we get a view of the AirPods Pro with the case open, with the AirPods in them. It just tells you in different languages, of course, AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. And so it's easy to open these. We can just pull this tab down. And we should be able to just take off the wrapping. Always love that when they have an easy open container. So if we take this out, we have designed by Apple in California. And inside we have AirPods Pro. We have our safety and handling guide, regulatory compliance information, 1-year warranty for Apple and Beats, and it looks like no sticker or anything like that. And then here we have a little guide, tells us how to, of course, get this working. To connect to your iPhone or iPad with the latest software, follow steps 1 through 2. Simply turn on your Bluetooth, connect AirPods Pro, open case, and hold near the device for on-screen setup. Apple devices signed into iCloud will pair automatically. So that's pretty cool. Now you can connect to other devices as well. So when AirPods Pro are in case and the lid is open, press the button on the back until the light blinks, then go to Bluetooth settings and choose AirPods Pro. Now in order to change the ear tips, it does tell you here, pull firmly to remove the tip. To attach the tip, align it, then push it in until it clicks. For more tip sizes, see inside the box. All right, and then we have our AirPods Pro right here. So we'll put that off to the side, see what else we get in the box. We have a charger for them. So this is a Lightning to USB-C charging cable, no brick or anything. And then here we have some additional tips. So this shows you, again, how to take it off. We have 4 additional tips. So we have small and large. So the ones they put on there are the medium tips. So we can take this out of its little sleeve here. Of course, we have this really nice white shiny plastic, little LED on the front. We have a little catch for our lid. And then we have the hinge on the back, designed by Apple in California, assembled in Vietnam. Interesting. Our button to pair. We have our charging for Lightning. And then we just open it up and we reveal our AirPods Pro with a white LED. Before I pair this, we're gonna go ahead and look at the case, just to take a look at that. So this is the Laut case. So again, $25. About Capsule IMPKT. It says ultra durable impact resistant casing with carabiner hook. Has 4-meter, 13-foot drop tested, carabiner included, and Qi wireless charging capable. So in order to open this, should be able to just slide it out. And I did get blue, so there we go. So taking a look at this, this is I believe just a silicone case. So as you can see, we have this really nice design. It's blue, has these kind of ridges. We have a little hole for the LED, and has kind of some sparkles in it. It is definitely rigid. You can definitely feel the rigidity of this. Taking this out, you can see we have our carabiner clip here. We have it says ultra durable impact resistant casing for AirPods Pro. So we just have a piece that goes on the bottom, piece that goes on the top, and then you have the carabiner clip that goes into the side here. So let's go ahead and try it on. Place it in there, and then our LED shines through. Place this on the top. And they do leave the back open, of course, for the hinge so that it can open freely. And there you go. So that's a little look at it. So that seems to work pretty well. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to it, but it will protect it because that white plastic, you know, is just gonna get scratched up. I've seen so many people with AirPods and they're super scratched up because they didn't get a case for it or anything. So I definitely wanted to have a case for mine. All right, so I have my iPhone 12 Pro here. So we should be able to just open up the lid and then it should just pop up on the screen. So let's see if that actually works. And there it is. So it says AirPods Pro, has a nice animation that pops up along with that. And then we can hit connect. We'll go ahead and connect. And now it's telling me about media control. Press once on either AirPod to play twice, or play or pause, twice to skip forward, and 3 times for something else. Press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. All right, in a control center, you can press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency. And we can set up Hey Siri if you want to, so we'll go ahead and use that. And you can have it announce messages and calls, so we'll go ahead and do that as well. And here we go. So it shows you that the AirPods themselves, 71% in one, 46% in the other, and then 9% in the case itself. So I do need to charge it, of course. All right, just to show you some of the settings for the AirPods, you can go into your settings and you can go into Bluetooth and just select them, and you'll be able to actually go into the settings here. So if we just hit the eye, you can see we have our settings. So we have our name, we can rename it. We have noise cancellation, transparency, we have the noise control, or the press and hold for the different controls. We have an ear tip fit test, and what this does is while the earbuds are in your ears, it actually plays a sound and then tries to figure out if it's actually good enough, and it'll tell you if you need to change them out or not, so that's pretty helpful as well. You have automatic ear detection, of course, so if you take one out, it'll just change to one. If you take both out, it'll pause the music, that kind of thing. It should connect to the phone automatically once you open up the AirPods case. And then you have spatial audio, which is pretty interesting. So what it does is instead of it just being stereo sound, where it's just kind of like a left and right thing, it actually sounds like it's coming from all directions. And I did try Apple Music because Apple Music actually has a bunch of different spatial audio sounds. They have different tracks that are made with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos. And they actually do have a really interesting sound. They just kind of sound a little echoey to me. But so far, I mean, I'm pretty impressed with them as far as that is concerned. There's not a whole bunch out there, some older songs, some newer songs, not a lot of it, but overall the sound is okay. You do have an equalizer you can use in Apple Music if you wanted to. So if I was to just go down to our music app, you can see we have some choices here. So I'll zoom in to show you that. So of course we have our library. You have Dolby Atmos, you can have that on. You have your audio quality, so you can have it lossless audio, so it'll be at its peak quality. That obviously uses a lot of data, so don't do that if you don't want to do that. Use a bunch of data. You do have an equalizer, so you have a bunch of different EQ settings. Now, the headphones I'm coming from are Soundcore headphones, and they do have really nice bass. These don't actually offer a bunch of bass. They're more crystal clear. They have the spatial audio and that kind of thing. So if that's the kind of thing you want, then the AirPods are probably the ones to go with. But I do wish that you had more bass. I do like a little bit more bass than what these actually offer. But overall, so far I'm pretty impressed with just the spatial audio, the Dolby Atmos, and of course the fitment is really well because the noise transparency in these, or the noise cancellation, is actually really, really good. So even with my fan on last night, had these in while I was listening to music, and they sounded great because you can't hear anything around you. So I will say that the AirPods have that over the Soundcore headphones because those don't actually steal as well as these do. Just a quick look at the AirPods Pro. Obviously these came out a long time ago, so not a new review, but if you guys are still looking for these, they're on sale for like $189, maybe $199, so not a bad deal if you're looking for a good set of buds that work with all your Apple products and seamlessly transition between them. You have that spatial audio, you have the Dolby Atmos, so pretty good there. So anyway guys, just a quick look at these. If you have any questions or comments on these, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.